Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to share your Google reviews. If you want to share your Google reviews with someone, you can do it directly from Google Maps. So open Google Maps app, then sign into your account. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Once you're here, scroll down and select your profile. Next, scroll to reviews. So scroll down until you find reviews and find the review you want to share. So let's scroll down a bit. And for example, this one. So I want to share this review right here. What you need to do is to tap the three dots next to the review, just like so, and choose Share Review. Select an app or copy the link to send it to someone. So to copy the link, just click copy right here, and you can then go ahead and open your other social media and paste it in there and send it to someone, or you can send it from here directly. So, for example, I'm going to send this on WhatsApp. So, I'm just going to select and click send.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And that's it. If you're using your computer, you can open Google Maps, then go to your profile, then go to your contributions, and go to reviews. Then just find the review, then click the three dots and select Share Review. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.